Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's get started with another simple dot mandala for beginners. I'm going to draw this oval shape closer to the circle on each line. I'll start dotting in the center with white. I'll keep some sky blue dots. I'll keep some side swipes and sky blue. I'll keep some dots in light blue. I'll keep some tiny dots in light blue. I'll keep some dots in turquoise blue. I'll keep some tiny dots in turquoise blue. Let me keep some plumpy dots in white. Let me fill the oval shapes now. I'll keep a dot above these oval shapes. I'll work the dots in sky blue. I'll keep some light blue dots now. I'll work the dots in light blue. I'll keep some brush strokes in turquoise blue. I'll keep some brush strokes in light blue. I'll keep some plumpy dots in sky blue. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some plumpy dots in white. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some brush strokes in sky blue. I'll keep some brush strokes in light blue. I'll keep brush strokes in turquoise blue. I'll keep some light blue dots now. The shades of blue create some calmness in your mind. I'm sure it does the same thing for you too. Thank you for watching this video.